video today, you all, is a super important and a little bit emotional. I'm going to try to get through this without crying because it hits a little bit differently when you're talking about children. But the video for today is all about Makeup Geek's collaboration with St Jude Hospital to help bring awareness and funds for the work that they do for amazing children with cancer research and treatment. If you aren't too familiar with St Jude, this is a world-renowned, incredible hospital in Memphis, Tennessee. It's been open since 1962, and since then they have seen over 45,000 children who all suffer from cancers, and most of these cases the children were told that it's inoperable or it's not treatable, and so they go to St. Jude's almost as a last resort, and they get incredible treatment there. And the most insane part, you all, is they get this treatment for free. For free. And I'm not talking just about the treatment. They get housing, they get food, they get everything covered for them, and they're able to do that because of the amazing donations from people like you all out there. So it's a really important cause that I really want to spotlight today, because we're talking about children, you all. It hits a lot differently when you're a mom and you have kids. So the story I'm going to talk about for a brief second before I show you what Makeup Geek is doing to help bring in funds is the story of Leah and her daughter Bethany. So Bethany was brought to St. Jude's by her mom in 2012. She was told before that by many doctors that her brain tumor was inoperable. And this is now several years later. Her cancer is in remission. She hasn't had any more growth. She's doing amazing. And right now, Bethany is now a nurse and she works at Stanford Children's Hospital. And she's even alive because of St. Jude. Like, when I heard this story, because we met with her mom, Leah, try not to get emotional. Her mom, Leah, did us a virtual tour with us of St. Jude, and just her story was so inspirational because she literally has her daughter. Her daughter's alive because of the treatment she got at St. Jude. So that's why this video is so important, you all, is I want to bring awareness for that. So what Makeup Geek is doing is we have two collections. It's called Hero and Hope, and each collection is only $24. It includes a quad of shadows and an eyeliner pencil, and $10 of every single set goes directly to St. Jude to help them keep funding all these amazing children. So the first set that I have is the Hope Bundle. It has purples and oranges. We try to pick colorful sets for these because St. Jude's color palette is very fun and very rainbow and colorful because obviously it's for children. So the first set we have is Hope, and it has the colors in it: Daydreamer, Invincible, Peach for the Stars, and Staycation. So it's a beautiful purple and kind of orangey look. At the end of this video, you all, I do have tutorials that I'm doing. This is one of the looks for this palette here. So the other collection we have is called the Hero palette, and this one has Illuminati, Tenacious, All of You, and Time Travel, and that's what I'm wearing here. Again, I do the tutorials at the end so you guys could see how to wear this look, and then it has the indigo eyeliner pencil with it. So you get 4 eyeshadows, a reusable palette, and an eyeliner pencil for $24, and $10 of that goes to St. Jude's. So even if you guys don't want to buy these palettes, I'm going to link directly to St. Jude if you want to donate directly to them, because it is the most amazing cause, you all, and the fact that they can provide free healthcare for these children is just the most incredible work that you can ever think of. So I'm going to do a tutorial with the look. I really like how this one turned out. It's one of my favorites ever. Very pretty, very summery. I'm going to first start with the Hero Bundle, which has Illuminati, Tenacious, All of You, and Time Travel. I'm going to start with Tenacious, which is a bright teal. I'm just going to take a brush like this. This is the Wayne Goss one, number 20. And we're just going to focus on this on the outer part of the eye. We're not going to try to create a specific shape. I just want to drop color down, if that makes sense. I'm going to switch to a small dome brush like this, same color, Tenacious. We're going to put just a little bit in here, just the tiniest bit. And then I'm going to come in here under the lower lash line. Same brush, now going with Illuminati, which is a light shimmery green. It's really pretty. We're going to put this in the center of the lower lash line. And then go back to that original brush that we used. We're going to pick up that color as well. We're just going to dust this on the center of the lid. If you need to clean up any of the edges, just take a dry, clean brush, kind of a dome shape one, and you can just brush this around to make it a little bit less structured, if that makes sense. Switch to a brush like this. You see how it's a really skinny, kind of pointy head. Anything that's super, super small and detailed, I'm going to go in with Time Travel, and we're going to just tap this right here under the lower lash line, just out there, and then the same thing along the upper lash line, so right out here. Then take indigo eyeliner. We're just gonna run this in the waterline. Then curl your lashes and add mascara. So that's look number 1. Let's do look number 2 on this side. Okay, next palette we have is the Hope one, and that has Daydreamer, Peach for the Stars, Staycation, and Invincible. And then that set also includes the Royal Eyeliner. This one we're gonna do super easy, just pop of color. This is great for every day if you just want something fun and quick. I'm gonna take a dome-shaped brush like this guy here. I'm gonna go in with Staycation, which is a deep, deep peach color. What we're gonna do is just do a wash of this all over the lid. It's so impactful, you all, but it's so, so easy. So I'm just doing circle motions like this and just brushing it up. Same brush, if you need to blend up here, you can go with a lighter color, which is Peach for the Stars. And then just bring this up here above the crease, just to really give you a soft, peachy color up here. Do you all hear my dog snoring, lady? She's really having a good nap right now. Okay, next we're gonna do a wash of purple under here. If you guys wanna keep it simple, you can skip this step. I'm gonna use that same brush I used earlier, the Wayne Goss one. I'm gonna go in with Invincible, and it's a bright purple. And I'm using a big brush like this because I want it to be a soft wash of color. I don't want it to be strong. I want it to just fade into the eye. That sounds lovely. Fade into the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna do just a pop of the light shimmer color. This is Daydreamer. It's so pretty, you all. It's just a really pale shimmery purple. I'm gonna take the Makeup Geek Outer V brush, a little guy like that, and we're just gonna pop this right here. And a little bit under the lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna do is take the Royal Eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna take a double-ended brow brush. I'm gonna take this side, and what I'm gonna do is actually grab the eyeliner pencil with the brush, and we're going to use this to do a slight wing. We're gonna do a baby wing. A little itty bitty wing. I'm gonna flip the brush this way, and then just start my wing like that. And if you want to go a little bit extra dramatic, you can take that same eyeliner pencil and run it in the waterline for an extra pop of purple. Same thing with the curl your lashes and apply your mascara. And there you go. There is your second look using the Hope palette. So please check out the links below. You also can find out more about St. Jude. I will also link to the Makeup Geek sets that we are selling right now in partnership with St. Jude. And then also don't forget that next Wednesday on April 21st, there is a free seminar online that you can sign up for, and I'm going to be part of that. It's called Mom Boss, and it's about moms connecting and just talking about work, about motherhood, about health, and how to survive during this pandemic. So it's a really fun opportunity for all of us moms out there to kind of connect and just get to socialize with each other. So I'll link to that below as well. So thanks you all for watching and for your support, and I hope you're doing great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. About me one more time before you